Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Mentoring Minds with Ajay Sharma. In today's session, we are going to understand the most important concept of depreciation. Who decides on this depreciation? कौन ये depreciation rate decide करता है? In India, we find that businesses are using various assets. These assets are used to increase the efficiency of business. And since the efficiency of business increases, we find the efficiency of asset decreases. Now, how much should be the rate of depreciation? Who decides on this rate of depreciation on asset? Is the businessman deciding the rate, or is it someone else are going to decide the rate on depreciation? So who decides on this depreciation? Whether it is 5%, 10%, 20%, 50%. So this rate of depreciation is decided by whom? Let us understand in today's concept who are the deciding individuals for the rate of depreciation. So the answer is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. हमें पता है कि Ministry of Corporate Affairs is the one who takes care about the corporates or the individuals who are doing business in India. In India, there are so many forms of businesses, जैसे sole trading business, partnership form of business, private limited company, public limited company, multinational companies, all government companies. We find that these are so many of the different forms of businesses, and all these businesses are using various assets. We are using assets such as furniture, air conditioner, computer, vehicles, machinery, and so many things. Even intangible assets like patents, copyright, trademark. So how are these depreciated? And to your knowledge, the rate of depreciation is basically considered by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The website mca.gov.in is a website on which you will get the rate of depreciation which are applicable on asset. Now generally, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, they release a document, they release chart describing the various percentage of depreciation under straight line method as well as reducing balance method. We call it as WDV, written down value method. Also, they have defined about these assets that the business are going to use, what would be the useful life of the asset, so that there should not be any discrepancy regarding the charging of depreciation. Now, this is the first ministry that basically considers for the depreciation on asset. Since business is earning money and this depreciation is a charge on profit, and on profit business are going to pay tax. So here one more authority takes care of the rate of depreciation is our income tax department. So income tax department basically decides the capping, the limit on depreciation which is charged and which is provided. And to your knowledge, the income tax department provides depreciation under a different way, where they consider the cutoff period as 180 days. If an asset is purchased before 1st October, the depreciation is charged for full 365 days, that is full year. But if the asset is purchased after 1st October, the depreciation is charged only for 6 months. So that means income tax department charges differently the rate of depreciation as compared to Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The simple reason is under income tax department, they are considering it the amount of cap, the amount of depreciation, the limit on depreciation on which this depreciation is charged. And that's why we find that there are two agencies in India who are taking care of rate of depreciation on asset. One is your Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the second one is Income Tax Department. I hope you found this particular information interesting. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep watching Mentoring Minds. Take care.